Hey everybody, this is day 7 of Body Beast and I have completed chest and tris. So this workout went really well. The press moves and the flies, I actually ended up doing them with increased weights. And next time I do them, I'm going to plan on increasing the weights again. I'm actually feeling stronger in those moves. The move that really got me this time was the tricep extension. So when you're looking at doing the 2 sets of 8 reps, starting with a higher weight and then dropping to a lower one, the 12-pound that I used the last time, I couldn't complete the entire rep of 8. Halfway through it, my triceps failed with the 10-pound weight. By the 7th rep, I could see my arms were shaking unbelievably. I just barely completed it. And what's interesting was that the last time I did this one, the first day, I succeeded and did well with them. So I don't know if it's because I went a little slower, but definitely that exercise, I know I worked to failure. So when you have that kind of situation result, you know what failure for you means. That's what you should be aiming for. And what I love about this workout, what I'm noticing is I am actually getting stronger in some of the workouts. And the key thing here, I think, is not to assume, oh, I can only lift this much. Push yourself. Try it. See what you can actually do. Push yourself to failure. And then if you feel like you've completed it and you know, just go for those higher weights. It's all about building up that muscle. Now, I'm looking at my sheet again. The other routines, some parts of it, like with a 15 or 12 reps, I could actually increase. And in some parts where it was the 8 rep, I'm noticing that I'm at my limit. So it's just a matter of trying it, pushing, and seeing. Because the only way you get to improve is to push yourself. Try it. I think reaching failure is key to getting success. What have I noticed over this last week? I'm getting stronger, and actually I'm noticing I'm getting really good definition already. So I'm really pleased. And the thing that I love is when I'm lifting weights and I have a mirror behind me that I can actually watch to make sure I have perfect form because I don't want to injure myself. I love how my abs contract and I can see that beautiful 6-pack peeking through. Nutrition this last week, excellent. One day I was a bit over on fat percent and carb percent. The other ones haven't quite reached that 25, 50, 25% ratio to perfection. But considering how I used to eat and how I'm limiting and spacing my carbs out, tomorrow I weigh, so I actually get to see what the effect of that has been. I'm loving being able to eat what I am. I'm at 2,000 calories per day, so that seems to be enough. And actually introducing and concentrating on achieving a 25% fat ratio, I think is helping to keep me more sated. I'm not crazy hungry all the time, and I'm really focusing on eating every 2 to 3 days. Before I check out today, I want to show you. I am wearing my P90X2 shirt. Do you know when you do a Beachbody program that you can earn a free t-shirt on completion of that program? Why not? These shirts cannot be bought in a store. And when you put in that much effort and you work so hard, darn right I want a free t-shirt to show, right? Hey, look what I've completed. I'm so proud of myself, right? It's not to rub it in anybody's face, but it's just to really kind of have that memento. I worked hard and I completed that program. You can do this by entering the Beachbody Challenge, and you're entered into $500 daily prizes, as well as you're in the running for the yearly $100,000 prize. So why not? You definitely get the free shirt and you can win some free cash. And plus you can feel more fit, be healthy, because isn't that why we do this to ourselves? To get more fit, more healthy. For females, lifting weights increases metabolism, improves bone density. It helps us be healthy and more fit. as we get older. So we'll talk to you tomorrow.